Hello everyone! Hosting a virtual event requires the same care and attention as an in-person event, so in today's video I will give you some of my best tips on how to host paid events on your website. If we can summarize an online event, it consists of three parts. The first one is the agenda. What is your event about? Who will take part in it? What your program will be? And so on. The second part is the technical one. How are you going to conduct your event? How are you going to handle hosting and basically organize the whole thing? And last but not least, promotion. Spreading the word is essential, especially when it comes to online events. Let's assume you have already taken part of the agenda and you have your channels and media for promotion, so we'll go straight to the technical part, which is as important as the other two. So, in order to conduct a smooth online event, you need reliable software where you can host your event, allow registration for it, stream live, host a recording of the event, and so on. It should offer a high level of security so that unauthorized viewers can't access your event, and, of course, it should offer a way for you to sell tickets to your event. You can definitely combine several platforms that will serve these purposes, but this will probably eat up a lot of time. So I suggest you use an all-in-one platform like StreamingVideoProvider that will take care of all of these things. Let's have a closer look at the platform. As you can see, there are lots of things you can do with SVP, but we'll focus on how to use the pay-per-view feature. In order to sell tickets for your online event, you would need to create a paywall. This means that when the viewers land on your event page, they will see this window, and in order to surpass it, they will need to buy a ticket. You can create different types of tickets, like early bird or discount tickets, that can be active at the different stages of ticket sale. To do this, go to the SVP platform, Paywalls and Tickets, and then New Paywall. Prepare all the different types of tickets you want to offer, but make sure that you leave only one showing and set the rest to hide. Otherwise, all the tickets will be visible to your audience. Once your viewers buy a ticket, they will receive an email with a password that they will need to fill in the paywall in order to get access to your event. And that's it. You, on the other hand, will be able to track everything in the Sold Tickets Management tab. That was all for today, guys. Now you know a great way to sell tickets for your online events. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!